Y'all, I got a new unboxing. Let's check it out. So this costs, I want to say, $50 to pick up. Y'all already know the box, New Balance. If you can't even see that. There you go. 288. So yeah, I never skated these, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try. Looks like a cool shoe, soccer inspired. New Balance 288. I guess it doesn't have the number on there, but just New Balance. Right there, 288. But yeah, I'll test these out and review these guys later for y'all. But yeah, stay tuned. That's what the traction looks like on the bottom. I'll try them on. Let y'all know how that goes too. If they fit pretty good, true to size. But yeah, if you want a skate review, just let me know. Hit me up.